This is our next slime.
So this is our next video.
Yeah, part 2.
The part 1 is on her channel.
Yeah. So, alright, I'm trying to get this slime off my hands now. Okay, so you can go ahead and do what you gotta do.
Okay,
But
so
I bored you, this slime is sticky.
we already did like, how many slimes?
You have 13 in total.
Yeah, so I never actually knew that I had that much. So we got like one. How
Sorry.
many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one's still leaking. 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, that one is that.
No.
We got a slime that's leaking because the top is too small for it. Well, the slime is too much.
It's too much.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so next we're gonna.
No, you gotta do this one.
Wait,
You didn't touch this one.
which one?
This one.
I have to touch it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So now I have to touch this one. Okay. It's not that bad.
Because I just had it activated.
Yeah, I know.
This is not water. This is borax and water.
You want to move the camera a bit closer?
Sure. Oh, okay. Tell me when you're ready.
It just got flat on me.
This slime is. All the rest of them are blue and gray.
Yeah. Alright.
Where do you grade that one? B. Oh my gosh, Miracle! I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, this thing is leaking. And it's sticky. What do we do? Do you throw this away? No, not the whole thing, but like, do you take a large amount out and throw it in the trash?
Yeah, but after this.
Yeah, you need to get another one because this is leaking, bro. Leaking. Okay.
It's like a dry piece of it.
What do we do? You need another trash bag? Get another bag?
Yeah.
So she's getting another bag because this is leaking, bro. It's leaking. And I'm going to pour some in, okay? I touched it. It was on an accident.
Okay.
All right, I'm about to pour it, okay? And I don't know what you're going to do with it, but, okay. You should see this. Okay, so I'm about to pour this slime in your bag. All right, you ready?
That's
This is not
leaking.
even slime. All right, make sure you put the bag out some. Yeah. All right.
I wish they could see this. They can't.
Okay, is that enough? A little bit more?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Like the snot off.
It's not.
Okay.
I don't know what to do with this now.
I know what to do.
Let's just hope it doesn't have a hole.
I know what to do. Just get these paper towels.
Paper towels.
Paper towels. That should be good. It's sticking. Yo, this feels weird. Feel the bottom.
It's like an ultimate stress ball.
Yeah. Don't you can't squish it too hard. It's gonna go up and explode like a volcano. Alright, don't close it all the way because I need to wipe this up. I need a sweet little key. Okay. Alright. This wasn't even a slime. This was
Well, it was a slime. It's just, it was very, very, very sticky.
No, it was water. It was like the boys. The boys be so nasty when they be like, I gotta use the restroom. When I use the restroom, it came out like water. That's what they say.
That's
It's
disgusting.
and we be like,
Die.
huh? Okay. Paper towel, paper towel, paper towel. Okay, so we just cleaned basically this up.
And now I don't know what to do with it.
So hold on. Like the top some, so.
You gonna clean the top too?
Okay. Making sure this slime won't have a oopsie number.
Oops.
Okay, where did the top slime?
At least none got on the counters. I mean, not the counters, the
Floor.
what's this called?
Oh,
Doors. Yeah.
You say doors. Doors. It's like you said
Doors.
doors.
Boys, it's the way that I talk.
Yeah. Irish.
We will not speak about that.
All right. Do you want to play with those ones or you want to go on?
Let's see the others.
Oh, there's okay. So, scan that. Okay,
Your turn.
to pick one.
Yeah.
I guess I'll pick this one. It's the closest.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's a cool color. It's sticky. Oh, it's sticky, sticky, sticky.
It's
It's like that
sticky.
one. We need to pour some stuff in. I can't even show you.